Okay, so we are starting our probability chapter. Actually, earlier already we have discussed the theory part, so we will be discussing more questions on it based on MHCT pattern. Okay, so moving to next question. Yesterday we had done till 10. We have a book for MHCT. So question number 11. Those you can see on the screen. I have already shared this PDF also. So you can see question number 11. We are starting with question number 11. You will see this. First you go through it and see how you are going to solve it. Then accordingly we will discuss and solve each questions. Okay. Read question according to you. See what data they have given and how you can apply the formula to solve this. Uh, okay, it's a small question. Let me also read so that others also can understand it well. A card is drawn from a pack of cards. The probability of getting a king or a heart or a red card is what? Okay. So first of all, you should see how many red cards are there. So it is 26, and under a red card, heart will be 2, and in heart there is one king. So you are saying that 7 by 13 will be your option. Fine. It means 7 into 4, 28 by 52. 11. Okay. First, you should know the event. How you got 28? First, discuss on that. Question number 11. Red card a total 26. Okay. Red cards equal to 26. And or means addition is there. Heart. There are other than red cards. How many hearts you will get? 2 more hearts from black cards will also be there. So you can write hearts. Other than red cards, you will get 2 from black. Yes. Right. There is no black card for heart. Fine, you're right. I thought it is for spade or club. Okay. But king is there. You will get 2 more kings from there. 2. So when or is there, so you can add both of them. So you can write number of event A equal to 26 plus 2, that is equal to 28, and total sample space equal to 52. Therefore, probability of event A can be written as n of A upon n of S. So that is equal to 28 upon 52. You can cut it by 4. 7, 13. 7 upon 13. Option B. Yes.
Zoom the questions little bit, sir.
Okay. See question number 11. Now is it okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. See question number 12 now. Hope you have understood everyone for question number 11. This is your option number B. You can see there. Option B. See now question number 12. All of you. Try by your own. Write down the data given and see how you can solve it. Then we will discuss. Question number 12. 4 aces, 4 kings, 4 queens and 4 jacks. There are a pack of cards where all these, you can say, cards are available. 2 cards you have to draw. The probability that at least one of them is an ace. So there will be cases. At least is there, no? So 1 ace or 2 ace. Okay. So case 1. 1 ace. Then you have to draw 2 cards. Then other one will be other than ace. That you can say non-ace. Second case. Both are ace only. 2 aces. Now write it in probability form. So for drawing 1 ace out of these total possibilities, there are 4 aces. So you have to draw like this. 4C1 divided by total 4444 16 C1, and then multiply it with one non-ace should be there. Other than ace, there are still 12 cards. So 12C1 upon 16C1. This is first case, case number 1. Case number 2, both should be ace only. So you can write 4C2 upon 16C2. That's all. Solve it, you'll get the answer. So 4 by 16, multiply it with 12 by 16 plus 4C2 is 4 into 3, that is 6. 4 into 3 upon 2 divided by 16 into 15 by 2. This two will cancel each other. With 4 you can cancel this 4 times. With 3 you can cancel this 5, 15. And again with 4 you can cancel this 16 4 times, 3 and 4. So what is the total value? 3 by 16 plus 1 by 20. What will be the total value? Add it, take the LCM. 16 and 20, 80. 5 into 3, 15 plus 4, 19 by 80. Question number 12, no? 19 by 8. 15 plus 4 is 19 only, no? What answer you got? 9 by 20. Where is there some calculation mistake? 1s plus 1 non-s and 2 s's. Is it fine? There are total 16, 4, 4, 4, 4, 16 number of cards. So you have to take at least one of them should be ace. Case 1, 2 by 5. So 4 by 16 and 12 by 16. What values you have taken for case 1? 4C1 by 16C1 multiply with 12C1 by 16. Okay, directly 16C2 and multiply numerator you have taken. Okay, in that way. So is it going to have a different answers in my approach, in your approach? 16, oh, because since multiplication is there, no, so that is going to make a difference. 2 times I am taking the multiplication, so that will make the difference. Fine. Okay, here we can make a change. Second part is 1 by 20, fine, huh? Yes. Okay. So 4C1 multiply it with, there are 12C1 upon 16C2. Like this you have taken, fine. Okay, so these both are going to make a difference. Since multiplication sign is there, that is making the difference. Okay, 4 multiply with 12 divide by 16 into 15 upon 2, like this. And this you will get 4 into 3 by 2 divided by 16 into 15 by 2. These two will cancel each other. 4, 3, 5. Okay. Again, this 4 will cancel this 16 4 times, and 2 with this 4 2 times, with this 2 this 6 times, 3 2 and 3 5. So you got here 2 by 5 plus 1 by 20. Fine. So when you take the LCM as 20, you are going to get 4 into 2 8 plus 1, that is 9 by 20. 9 by 20, option number C. Okay, option C will be your correct answer. All of you match your answers and see the basic mistakes which we do while calculation. We cannot take that 16C1 16C1 separately. We'll get different answer. So that denominator should be same because we are drawing two cards simultaneously. So 16C2 should be always there in the denominator part. Okay, so do the calculation well, you'll get the answer. Question number 12 done. See question number 13, all of you. A room has 3 lamps. From a collection of 10 light bulbs, of which 6 are not good, a person selects 3 at random and puts them in sockets. The probability that he will get light is, fine. So there will be again cases. The person just wants light in the room. So he is using how many light bulbs? 3. So either of the one bulb if lights up, then he can get light in the room. So there will be 3 cases. one light up bulb or two light bulbs or three also, all the three are lighting, then also you will get the lights in your room. So just draw that three cases and then you can solve it. Or there can be another approach also. Just take the, you can say, one minus none of the bulb gets light in the room. That is also another approach. Instead of taking all three cases, just minus it, you will get quick answer, fast answer, right? So first to find out the sample space, how many sample space you will get? N of sample space will be equal to 10, 10C3, because you are drawing three bulbs, no? That's why. So what is the value of 10C3? 1098 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. Fine. 120. 3 and this 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12, 10, 120. Fine. So you got sample space. Now you want light in the room. So you can take like this. None of the bulb is going to light up. That all the three will be from the defective case. Right. So how many defective bulbs are there? 6. So three bulbs you are taking. So 6C3. That will be your case. So since I am taking bar here, that means 1 minus directly we can use, and then 6C3. How much value you will get? 1 minus 6C3 is 20. Fine. Wait. So that is equal to 19. So instead of taking 19, you should take in probability form, right? You cannot take directly 1 minus 20. You should take 1. 1 is the total probability or 1 is some value. Probability, no? So you should take like this. Write it in this way. Instead of any, you write probability of a bar. 1 minus 6C3 by 10C3, that is 120. This will give you the correct answer. 6C3 is 20 by 120. So when you will solve it, you will get 1 by 6. 1 minus 1 by 6 is 5 by 6. Is there option 5 by 6? A. 13 number, you can take option number A. 5 by 6 is the correct answer. Understanding? Understanding all of you? Any doubt?
Repeat it, sir.
Okay, fine, fine. See, question number 13, they have given that a room is having three lamps and you have 10 options for light bulbs. Among that 10, 6 are defective and 4 are of good condition. So you have to select 3 out of those 10 bulbs, which are mixture of good bulbs also and defective bulbs also. So out of that 3, we don't know which will be of good condition and which will be of you can say defective one. So for that only we have to find out the probability. So out of that 3, they are asking that the room should be light up. That is their condition. That event will be that any of the 3 bulbs should be of a good condition, that is of not defective case. So instead of taking 3 cases, one correct matlab, without defective, non-defective, 2 non-defective or 3 non-defective, we can go through other side, that is total probability is 1 minus none of the 3 bulbs are of non-defective case. That is all the 3 are from the defective case. That room is not going to get light up. So you just subtract it 1 minus total probability not lighting up, you will get the light up conditions. So 1 minus 6C3. There are total 6 defective bulbs. So from that 6 defective bulbs, you will select all the 3 defective case 6C3. Divide by total sample space, we got 10C3 as 120. So divide that 6C3 divide by 120, you will get the probability of defective bulbs. So that you are going to subtract it from one, that is total probability. You will get non-defective cases. So that is only 1 minus 20 by 120. That is 20 is the value of 63. That is 1 by 6. When you will subtract 1 minus 1 by 6, you will get 5 by 6. So your option will be A. This question can be solved from another method also. You can go through that, but that will be a, you can say, lengthy one. It will take more time. In that case, you have to take 3 conditions. 1 good non-defective, then 2 non-defective, 3 non-defective. All you need to add up. Then you will get the same value, 5 by 6. You can try that also if you want. See question number 14. Hope understood now. See then question number 14. Done. Simple. Out of 13 applicants for a job, there are 5 women and 8 men. Two persons are to be selected for the job. The probability that at least one of the selected person will be a woman. Again, two cases are there. One woman or both should be women. One woman, it is simple like 12 number question only. Just now we have solved it. Directly we will write the solution. Okay. So 5 women and 8 men are there. Two persons are to be selected. Both take two cases. Either one woman plus one man. This will be your first case. And second case, no, we cannot take plus here. We have to take multiplication again because two number of persons we have to select. And second case, both are women, two women. These are the two cases. So, what is the probability of selecting a woman? 5C1. That is directly you can write 5 also. 5 multiply with men. How many men are there? 8 divide by 13C2. This is first case. Similar to question number 12. Both should be women. 5C2 upon 13C2. Just solve it. You will get the answer here. 5, 5 multiply with 8 divide by 13 into 12, and that 2 you can take in the numerator, plus 5 into 4 divide by 13 into 12. Fine. With this 4 you can cut this 12 3 times. Now this 4 into 2 8, 4 into 3 12. So you are going to get 10 into 2 is 20 plus 5 upon 13 into 3 is 39. So 20 plus 5 is how much? 25 upon 39. 25. A option is correct, no? You said B. A, no? Right. 25 upon 39. So this was similar to question number 12 only. Both were same. See, then question number 15 now. Question number 15. Three squares of a chessboard are chosen at random. The probability that two of them are of one color and one of another. Okay, now you have to choose three squares of a chessboard. The probability that two of them are of one color and one of another. How you will solve it? 64. Out of 64, that is sample space. Fine, fine, fine. Next, you have to select two of them are of one color and one of the other. It means either two should be black and one white. 32C1. You have to select three. 32C2 and then multiplied with 32C1, or plus another case 32C2 again. It means you can say two times. Directly you can multiply it with two times. Fine, fine. You will get it. Write down question number 15. Okay, so sample space will be equal to 64C3, and then event, it can be 32C2, multiply it with 32C1 into 2. You can write it down directly two times because either it can be two white, one black, or two black, one white. That's why two times. So its value will be equal to 32 multiply it with 31. Yes, options you can see, check which is the correct option. These two and these two will cancel each other. So you got 32, 32, 31. Now probability can be written as 32 multiply with 31, again multiply with 32, divide by 64C3 is equal to 64, 63, 62, 16 by 21, that is A. Okay, option A is correct. And dividing it by 3 into 2 into 1. Then 32 into 64 two times. 31 into 63 three times. 32 and 62 is there. This two will cancel. This three will cancel. 32 and 62. With 2, when you will cancel it, you will get 16. And here you will get 16 upon 31. 31? You are getting 21. Okay, wait. 2 into, where is 1 2 missing? I'm getting 16 by 31. 21. Some 2 I'm missing somewhere. 32, 31 divided by 2, 32 into 2. 31 62 होगा ना? Okay, 31 63 था. Oh, वो that was a mistake. That was a mistake. That was a mistake. Fine, fine, fine. I have made a calculation mistake. Okay, okay. Yes, yes. No issue. There was a 16 upon 21 is correct. I will recheck it. 32, 31, 32 upon 64, 63 and then 62, and numerator you will get 3 into 2. Now see, 32, 2 times 64 is fine. Okay. Now next is with this 3, I will cut this 63. This is 21 is fine. With this 2, I can cancel this 2. Next, 2 times this is 16. Oh, 31 2 times. Okay, fine. I have cancelled this 2 again. Then 2 is 16, that is also fine, no? Okay, 16 upon 21, got it now? 16 upon 21. See, option A. Understood, everyone? Next, see then question number 16. Let me see. Committee of 5 is to be chosen from a group of 9 people. Okay, the probability that a certain marriage will either serve together or not at all is okay, fine. There are some married couple also out of those 9 people, so there is a condition that that married couple will be together or they will not be there. One is not going to come in the that selected group. Either they will come together or none will come. That is the condition. So see how you can solve it. This is a practical question. Question number 16. Yes, since total 9 people are there, pairs will be 4 only because 8 are there. So out of, suppose 4 pairs are there and one is single, so you have to select 5 among them. So how you can take the conditions? Yes, yes. हाँ. Okay, but you have to select 5, no? हाँ, तो एक तो सिंगल है ना, एक सिंगल होगा ना उधर. Out of 9, one will be there who is single. So that you can take or not? 5 by 9, yes. I am also thinking in that way. Because 2 couples, there are 8 people. There are 9 people. 8 people. Yes. Remaining one is also there. And then total 9 is in the denominator, that is fine. And you have to select 5. So 2 couples, 4 and 1 non-couple, that is 5. I think that should be there. Let me see, 16, but answer is 4 by 9. Okay. The correct answer is 4 by 9. Let A be the event that the married couple will serve together, not at all. If they serve together, we have to select 3 persons from the remaining 7 persons. Okay, we have to select 3 persons from the remaining 7 persons. Okay, if they do not serve at all, we have to select 5 persons from the remaining 7 persons. So there are conditions, that is 7C3 plus 7C5 equal to 7C3 plus 7C2, that you are going to get 8 into 7. Okay, write down solution. Think on it. I hope everyone is not understood this question. Please think on it. Try to understand. Let A be the event that the married couple will serve together or not at all. या तो वो दोनों साथ में रहेंगे या बिल्कुल से भी आएंगे नहीं, दोनों में से कोई नहीं आएगा, और नॉट एट ऑल। ये मेरा इवेंट ए से रिप्रेजेंट हो रहा है। इफ दे सर्व टुगेदर नाउ, if they serve together, we have to select three persons from the remaining 7 persons. From the remaining 7 persons. What the question is trying to say, you have understood, there is only one couple, not everyone is in couple. Out of those 9 persons, there is one couple only, that you have to understand. Fine. So that couple is saying that either we both will come in that 5 or none of us will come there. So that 2 is place fixed. 2 couple. Then still 3 places are there you have to fulfill, no? So out of that 9, that couple, so 7 are left. From that 7 you have to select 3 more. That is the first condition. Yes. So we have to make cases. Both the case, yes. You have to take both the case, obviously. So this first case is we have taken that couple. Out of that 5, one couple you have taken. So still 3 places are there to fill, no? So that from 7, remaining 7 you have to select 3. 7C3. 9 people are there, no, total. Total 9 people are there. One is couple, so still 2 are outside. And what? How many are left? One couple is only there out of those 9 people. Not everyone is in couple. One couple. Try to understand the question. That is the. Both the couples will take one place. Yes. One place. Consider both at one single place. No. 2 persons. How it can be one place, man? 5 people they are saying. You have to take 5 persons. Both are 2 different persons if they are a couple. They cannot be considered as one person. Understandable. So that is the condition. We are taking in first case couple together. So 3 persons will be selected from the remaining 7 persons. Okay, like this. This is the first case. And in second case, we are not considering the couple. Right? So if we will not consider the couple, all the 5 will be from non-couple. So take that one couple outside. Still 7 are there. From that 7, you take all the 5. So 7C5. That is the second condition. Understanding or not? Like that. So second condition, if they do not serve together, we have to select 5 persons, remaining 7 persons. Okay, from remaining 7 persons. Okay, now to fulfill total 5 places, how you are going to solve? So n of a can be written as, you are taking 3 persons from that couple condition 7C3. That is done. Next case plus 7C5. This will be 2 cases. Just solve it. You will get the answer. Got it? So what is the value of 7C3? Yes. Upon 3 into 6, 6 cancel 35. What is 7C5? 7, 9, 5, 2, 21. 35 plus 21. How much it is? 56. Probability now. Sample space. Total 9 persons are there. You have to select 5. So find out the sample space. 9C5. What is the value of 9C5? 9C5 is correct or not? First you see. You have to select 5 persons and total 9 are there. So that is fine. What is the value? 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 upon 5, 4, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct, correct, correct. No 5 will be there. 4, 3, 2, 1. Total value is 126. 4 into 2, 8. 2, 2 cancel. 3 say 2. So 9 into 7 into 2, 14. 14 into 9 is 126. Fine. So divide it now. Probability of that event will be 56 upon 126. How much? 2, 2, 2 is 4, 2, 8 is 16, 2, 6 is 12, 2, 3 is 6, 7, 7, 4 is 28, 7, 9 is 63. 4 upon 9. 4 upon 9. So option number B. See all of you solution, question number 16. If you have not understood, you can discuss. If you have understood, you can move to question number 17. What is there in question number 17? Read it. इसके ऑप्शंस दूसरे पेज में है, तो मैं ऑप्शन एक जगह लिख दे रहा हूँ स्क्रीन पे, फिर आप क्वेश्चन को देखो आराम से. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर, ये कौन सा चल रहा है? 17. देखो ऑप्शन नंबर ए दिया है 14 अपॉन डन. ओके, दैट्स ग्रेट. 1/2 and then D is 23/39. Option B according to you. Okay, no problem. Out of 40 consecutive natural numbers, 2 are chosen at random. Probability that the sum of the numbers is odd. Sum should be odd. Sum of the numbers is odd. How you are going to understand that sum should be odd? Even plus odd will be odd. Addition. Okay. So how many odd numbers are there between 1 to 40 consecutive? 20. And 20 odd also. So 20C1 multiply with 20C1 whole divided by 40C2. Done? Okay. So n of A is equal to 20. There are 20 even numbers between 1 to 40. How much you are getting? 23. Option B. Yeah, option B. Correct. 20C1 or 20 and even also 20. So this is the total values for event to get odd numbers after adding, and sample space will be equal to 40C2. Just divide both of them to get the probability of A. So 20C1 is 20 only. 20 multiply with 20 divide by 40 into 39, and this is 2. 1 0 you can cancel, with this 2 you can cancel 2, this 2 will cancel, to 20/39. Option B, correct. So you can take option number B, that's correct, no issue. Next, question number 18 you can see then. See question. Okay. इसमें देख लो, है ना आप लोग के पास? Question number 18 we will be solving. See question number 18. A committee of 9 experts taken from 3 institutions ABC, of which 2 are from A, 3 from B, and 4 from C. If 3 experts resign, then the probability that they belong to different institutions will be what? Interesting. 3 of them resign, and they are asking you to find the probability that all of those 3 will be of different institutions. कर सकते हो, you can do it. So there are three different institutions, A, B, and C. So two are from A, three are from B, four are from C. So all that 3% should be from different institutions. Option D. Yeah, you are correct. Option D. So n of A is equal to 2C1 multiply with 3C1 multiply with 4C1. Right, all are from three different institutes, and sample space is equal to 9C3. Just divide both of them, you'll get the answer. Probability of A is equal to 2 multiply with 3 multiply with 4 divide by 987, and numerator you can write 3 into 2. Fine. With this 3 you can cancel this 3, this 3 will cancel each other. With this 2 you can cut this 4, 4 will cancel. 2 by 7. 2 into 3, 6 by 7 you are getting. Let me see the option. I'm getting 2 by 7. Where you are getting 4? Yeah, 2 by 7 is correct also. No problem. 2 by 7. See question number next now, 19. Two numbers are selected at random from 1 to 3 till 100. The probability that the product of these numbers is divisible by 3 is P. Then P will be what? Okay, you have to find out the probability of those numbers between 1 to 100 such that taking two numbers and their product should be divisible by 3. Selecting two numbers and their product should be divisible by 3. How you are going to think on it? 33 numbers will be there which are divisible by 3. But they are saying product should be divisible by 3. Are you understanding the question? You have to select two numbers, and then taking the product of those two numbers should be divisible by 3. Understood now questions? Now think. Option B. But no, you need to check it once again. No. Neither A nor B. C. Yeah, fine. You have to take another case also, that you are taking only one case. There can be both of the two numbers which are divisible by 3 only. Yes, that is also a case. There are total 33 numbers divisible by 3 between 1 to 100. There are total 33 numbers between 1 to 100 which are divisible by 3. Option C. Your value is something greater than 0.5. What is the option they have given? 0.7 से कम ही आ रहा है. चेक करो, वैल्यूज निकाल के चेक कर लो. ऑप्शन दिया है तो करना पड़ेगा, उसमें क्या कर सकते हैं. डिविजिबल बाय 3. तो 3 divisible है, it means there will be 67 which are non divisible. So product, they are talking about product. So product of any number divisible by 3 not divisible by 3 is obviously going to be divisible by 3 only. So you will be getting two cases here. Either you can take, yes, now correct, and 67 numbers are not divisible by 3. Not divisible by 3. Okay, fine. Then of A can be written as 33C2 plus 33C1 multiply with 67C1. This is your total A. Yeah, यहाँ भी इफेक्ट पड़ता है. So 33C2 value you are going to get 33 multiply with 32 upon 2. With this 2 you can cancel this 32 16 times, and here you will be getting 33 multiply with 67. What is the value? Take 33 common. 16 plus 67. This is the value. 16 plus 67 is how much? 83 or 85? 83. 33 multiply with 83. Yes, this is the event numbers. Now sample space. टोटल नंबर्स आर 100. उसमें से आपको टू नंबर सिलेक्ट करना 100C2. सो 100 99 2 50. Therefore probability of A is equal to 33 multiply with 83 upon 50 multiply with 99. 3 you can cancel this 99 1133. That's all I think. 11 into 83 you need to multiply now. 830 plus 83. How much? 83. 3 11 9 913. And 50 into 33 is how much? 10. So take out the decimal value of 913 upon 1650. Nine one three divided by 1650. 0.55 it is coming, right? 0.5533 like this, which is greater than 0.5. So you can tick option number C. Option C is correct, less than 0.7 and greater than 0.5. Okay, now see question number 20. 19 done then. Again, black balls and white balls type. This is a good question. You can solve it. Question number 20. We have said that 7 white balls are there and 7 black balls, 3 black balls randomly placed in a row. The probability that no 2 black balls are placed adjacently equals what? Adjacent means one after the other or one alternate with other? Adjacent. I think it is one after the other. So no 2 black balls should be one after the other. So for that, you need to put that white balls first. 7 places. That is, they can be arranged among themselves. 7 factorial. Yes. Multiply it with how many places are there? 8. 8C3. Yes. 8C3. First you can select the place and then multiply it with 3 factorial. Because you can arrange it also, in that 3 places. So total sample space first we are finding. Total sample space will be equal to 7 factorial, multiply it with 8C3 into 3 factorial. Okay, so 7 factorial is how much? That will be a big number. 8 factorial, 8C3 we can calculate. 8 multiply with 7 multiply with 6 upon 3 factorial is there, no? Directly 6. Fine, no? You can cut this 6 and 6 then. 3 factorial is again 6. So 7 factorial multiply with 8 into 7 into 6. 56 into 6 is how much? 56 into 6. 36, 33, 336. 7 factorial is 5040. Fine. Okay. 5040. This is our total sample space. Now what they are asking, what they want. Probability that no two black balls are placed adjacently are randomly placed. No. This is actually N of A. That only they are asking. And what about sample space then? Huh? 3? They are not selecting any 3 balls here. Just you have to see the arrangement. 10 factorial, that's all. Sample space. N of S equal to 10 factorial. Just divide it then, both of them, you will get the probability. N of, yes. That is because, see, in this kind of questions, you have to go for first selection and then arrangement. So that 8C3, it means 8 positions are there, where out of those 8 positions, we can fill that 3 balls in any of those 8 places. After selecting that positions, you can arrange that 3 balls among those 3 places also, no? So that's why that 3 factorial is there for arrangement case, right? So probability of that A will be equal to 5040 multiply it with 336 dividing it by 10 factorial. What is the value of 10 factorial? 64880, something like that. 10 factorial 10 9. Okay. Okay, fine. 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. You are getting 7 by 15. Okay. 7 by 15 is, which is the option? B, 20. Yes, B, correct. 1 1 2 3 say 2. This 2 again you can cancel. 5 6 56. 7 8. 8 and 8 will cancel each other. With this 9 you can cut 45. No, 45. No. 156 again. Then 56 can be cancelled with 2. 28. So you will get here 28 and cut this 4, you will get 7. So 7 by 15. Fine. 5 into 3, 15. Option D. 21 ka? 13 upon 175. 21, no? But no, that is not correct. Sorry. In a lottery, 50 tickets are sold, in which 14 are of a prize. Okay, fine. A man bought 2 tickets. Then the probability that a man win the prize. Again, 2 cases you have to consider here, no? He might get the prize in both of the tickets or any one of the tickets. So take to both of the conditions, then you will get 21. So yes, you will get 2 cases. Uh, one winning and one losing. Multiply with 1 lose out of those 2 tickets, or plus 2 win. So in that case, now 14 are for winning case, no? So 14 C1, that is 14 only. Okay, wait, I will write N of A. Write down N of A directly. So you write out of that 14 you got 1 for winning, and other than 14 out of 50, how much are left? 36. 17 by 35, fine. This divide by 50 C2. 50 multiply with 49, and that 2 will go in the numerator. Okay. One is this one, this case, plus both are of winning, that is 14 multiply with 13, divide by 50 into 49, multiply it with 2. Solve it, you will get the answer. So you can cancel what? 49. 7. 7 2 is 14, 7 7 is 49. Again 7 2 is 14, 7 7 is 49. Again with this 2 you can cancel this 50 as 25. Here also 25. That's all. 25 into 7. That 7 also, is it going to cancel somewhere? No problem. 36 into 2. How much? 72 plus 13 into 2 is 26. Add both of them in the numerator, and denominator is common to both. That is 25 multiply with 7. So 72 plus 26. 98 upon 25 into 7. Cut it with 798. 14 by 25. 14 by 25. Somewhere plus 13. 2 win 50. Okay, yes, that 2 I have taken here extra. That 2 are going to cancel each other, no? Because 2 win is there, so 14 C2, 1 2 will come from there also. So both will cut each other. So here you will get only 13 in the numerator. So 72 plus 13 is 95. 85. Yes, here it will be 85. 85. So that with 5 you can cancel them. 5 5s are 25 and 5 into 17 is 85. So 17 by 35. Fine. This is correct. Option A. Understanding all of you? Moving to next question after 21st, 22nd number question. Two cards are randomly selected from a pack of cards and are represented by x1 and x2. Fine. The probability that x1 is greater than or equal to 4 and second card is less than or equal to 9 will be what? Okay. Two cards are randomly selected from a pack of cards. How many total cards are there? No, nothing given related to that. Cards. 1 upon 2 to 1. Okay, 22nd. But not correct. Sorry. There are 4 suits and each suit having 6 cards. They have not given the question completely. Two cards are randomly selected from a pack of cards and are represented by x1, x2. The probability that x1 is greater than equal to 4 and less than equal to 9. See its solution. Interesting question. First, to find out the sample space. How you will find the sample space here? N of S equal to 52 C2. Right. How much value you will get? 52, 51 upon 2. 26. Let it be 26 multiply with 51 only. No need to multiply. We will cancel it. Next. Okay. So there are 4 different compartments of total 52 cards. No, 13, 13, 13, 13. So out of those 13, numbers between 4 to 9 they are trying to find out. That is less than, greater than 4 and less than 9. So how many numbers you will get between 4 and 9? 6. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? So out of those 6, 4 suits of 6 card each, you have to select according to the event they want. So how you are going to calculate? You need to select 2 cards, no? So 6 C2. So out of, but total there will be, for 6 6 6, if you take together between 4 to 9, you are going to get 24, and out of those 24 you have to select 2 cards, 24 C2. Right? N of A is equal to 24 C2, because between 4 to 9 you will be having 6 cards and there are 4 suits of 6 cards, so you will get 24 total cards out of those 4. So from that 24 you have to select 2 cards. So 24 C2 is equal to 24 multiply with 23 divide by 2. You can cut this 12. You will get 12 multiply with 23 like this. Just take the probability now. 12 multiply with 23 upon 26 multiply with 51. Just cut it with this 3, you can cut 4 times, and 351 is 17 times. Then again 2, this is 13, then just multiply it. 23 into 2 is 46, and 13 into 17 is 221. So option D is correct. Understood? Try to understand. Read the question carefully. You'll get the data from there itself. Next, 23 they have. Read it well, what they are asking. Option B. Got it. 23. Yeah, you're right. So, out of 5 persons all having birthday in March, at least 2 have the same birthday. कम से कम 2 लोगों का सेम ही डे पे बर्थडे आना चाहिए. इस तरह का कंडीशन है, कम से कम. तो अगेन कंडीशंस विल बी देयर. At least means either 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. Instead of taking all the 4 cases, just subtract it from 1 minus either none will be same or 1 will be same. 2 cases. 1 minus none will be on the same day, and either one case will be there of such condition that 2 are having the same birthday. Can it be? Out of 5 persons, 2 having same birthday, 3 having 4. So instead of like that only you have to solve. So see question number 23 now. First of all, talking about sample space. How many days will be there in March? 31. 31. So there are total 5 persons are also there. So maybe that out of those 31 days, any of the day can be for one of the persons. So second will also have either of them, anyone. That is, you can write like this: 31, 31. Second also 31. Third person, that is again 31, again 31. They can have any of the days out of those 31. No? So 31 raised to 5. This is the total sample space. Instead of taking 2 persons having at least 2 persons having birthdays on the same day, we can take 1 minus none will be having the same day as their birthdays. Okay, so how you will solve that? 1 minus 31. Out of those 31 days, you can take different days for each of those persons to have different birthdays, right? So 31C5 can be taken or not? N of A bar. A bar means different birthdays. Fine. So out of those 31 days, you can take any of those 5. There are total 31 days, and you have to select any of those for each person different days. That is, you have 5 options. No, you can take any 5 days among that 31 days in March. So 31C5 will be different birthdays condition. So, but you want same birthday, at least 2. So you need to subtract this one from. So the required probability you can write like this. 1 minus probability of that A bar. So you can write it like this. 1 minus 31C5 dividing it by that 31 whole raised to 5. This will be your answer. So how you will solve it? Just cross multiply it, because such a big number is not easy to solve. 31C5 whole divided by 31 raised to 5. Like this you can tick. Option number B. Got it? You can discuss if you have something to discuss here. This was question number 23. 24 done. 2 numbers are selected randomly from the digits 1 to 9. The probability that the product of the numbers is odd. It is similar to that type question. One more question we had already got. It is a simple question. Product should be odd means one odd, one even you can take. So 1 to 9. two numbers you have to select. So number of sample space if you want. So there are 1 to 9, 9 values are there. So 9C2, and then product of the number should be odd. So n of a should be equal to, there are four, 5 odd and 4 even, right? So 5C1 multiply with 4C1. Fine. Okay. So therefore, probability of A is equal to 5 multiply with 4 divide by 9 into 8, numerator 2. 4 into 2, 8. So 5 by 9. No. Huh? Multiple. 3 into 4, 12. 5 into 6, 30, right? So you need odd, no? So 3 into 3, 9. 5 into 3, 15. Both should be odd. So both should be odd. 5C1 into 5C1. Right? 25 should be there in the numerator. That's good. So here it will be 5 again. Here it will be 8. So 24, your option was 5 by 18. 5 by 18. 9 into 8. 9C2 is correct, no? Sample space. Then, where? Instead of 5C1 into 5C1, you are saying that it should be 5C2. Still, yes. Correct. 5C1 into 5C1 is going to give you again 25, but 5C2 will give you a different value. Just take that odd number, total 5 odd numbers are there. You select two numbers from there, 5C2 directly. That will give you the answer. Correct. So 5C2 can be written as 5 into 4. That 2 and that 2 will cancel each other here. Sample space value. 9 into 8. With this 4 you can cut 2 times. So 5 upon 18. Yes, we have different answers now. That time you got different answer. 5C1 into 5C1. So 5C1 into 5C1 is not equal to 5C2. Understand it well. Okay. Both are different. Now, see next. After 24. 25. See question number 25. Three houses are available in a locality. Three persons apply for the houses. Okay. Each applies for one house without consulting others. The probability that they apply for the same house is what? तीनों सेम ही घर के ऊपर मतलब कंसल्ट कर रहे हैं. इसका क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी हो सकता है? रीड करो क्वेश्चन, ऑप्शन बताओ. सैंपल स्पेस बताओ क्या होना चाहिए पहले तो. हर एक के पास कितने ऑप्शंस हैं जाने के लिए? 9 हो रहा या 27 हो गया? 3 लोग हैं ना. सैंपल स्पेस की बात कर रहे हैं. 3 पर्सन आर देयर. हर एक के पास 3 पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं. तो 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, you are trying to say the option 25. No. 27. Okay, next for event that all of them have reached to the same house. What is the probability for that? Same house means out of the 3 house, they all will reach in the same house. Yes?
Option A, sir.
Yeah, option A is correct. Good. A is correct. Question number 25. For reaching to the same house, out of the three, all have reached in the same house. So there is only one possibility for that. So 3C1 equal to 3. Therefore, when you will take the probability for that, so 3 upon 27, that is equal to 1 upon 9. That is option A. Okay. See next now. Question number 26 is also there. 26. An urn contains 9 balls, of which 3 are red, 4 are blue, 2 are green. 3 balls are drawn at random. The probability that the 3 balls are of different colors will be what? Simple है, कर सकते हो. Sample space, total you are drawing 3 balls, right? Out of 9. So 9C3, that's all. If you want to find the values, then 9, 8, 7 upon 6. 3, 3, 2. Option A. Yeah, correct. 4. 3 into 4, 12, 84. Then all should be of different colors means 3 into 4 into 2. So some probability 3, 4, 2 all divided by 84 with 4, 2, 1, 3, 7. So you got 2 by 7. Option A. Oh, 2 by 7. Option A. Fine. See then question number 27. Based on combination, I think. Society, letter of the word society are placed at random in a row. Fine. The probability that the three vowels come together. Yeah. How you are done? 27B. Yeah, 1 by 7, correct. So first tell me the about sample space. Simply 7 factorial, that's all. Yes. Then event. What they want. Vowel should be together. So I, O, E should be together. So 5 factorial into 3 factorial. Yeah, correct. 5 factorial into 3 factorial. So probability will be equal to 5 factorial multiply with 3 factorial upon 7 factorial. How you will solve it? 5 factorial, 3 factorial can be written as 6 and 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. You cancel this. 6, 6 cancel 1 upon 7. Yeah, correct. 1 upon 7. 1 by 35. Done? Yes. Yeah, that is also I think based on same concept. Yeah, yeah. No, vowel should occupy even places they have written. So there is an odd place and even place alternately for any number to put. So even place means suppose vowel should occupy even place. No, you need to calculate it directly. You cannot say. So first about sample space is simple. There are total again 7 factorial. That is correct. But vowel should occupy even places. You should be careful for solving. There are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. No, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is first one is odd place 1, then even, odd, even. Instead of 1, 2, 3, I should write odd even only. That will be more better. 1 is odd, then even, odd, even, odd, even, odd. So he wants to place it in even places. There are 3 even places and I, E, A. 3 vowels are also there. So 3 positions and 3 values. Just 3 factorial will be for vowels. So you can write like this 3 factorial for this vowels and 4 positions are there for consonants. So multiply it with 4 factorial. Fine, no? Therefore, probability will be equal to 3 factorial multiply with 4 factorial upon 7 factorial. So when you will solve it, 3 factorial means 6, 4 factorial let it be 7, 6, 5, 4 factorial. Cut it. 6 cut it. 1 by 35. Yeah, like this. Correct now. 1 by 35, option A, 28. Done. 29. 29. Yeah, see. 6 boys and 6 girls sit in a row randomly. The probability that all the 6 girls sit together means 1 unit, and then 6 boys are there. That means 6 plus 1, 7 factorial. 7 factorial, multiply it with 6 factorial. That will be your event, and total 12 factorial will be your sample space. Fine. So directly also we can do it. Probability of A is equal to 7 factorial, multiply it with 6 factorial, divide by 12 factorial. Okay. So its value is equal to 7 factorial. 6 factorial can be written as 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 upon 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 factorial. 6 into 2, 12. You can cut this 12. 3, 3 is there 9. And 5 is there. 5, 2 times. 2, 2 times. With this 2, this 8 can be cancelled as 4 times. So numerator nothing is left. 1 upon 11, 3, 4, right? 12 into 11, that is 120, 132. 1 by 132. Okay, fine. So option C, 29, correct. Option C, question number 29. Next, 30. C for question number 30. 23, that is B. Yeah, B is correct. There are four. These are all questions from this combination and permutation, right? From there, they have just taken out and just divided by total sample space. You will get the probability question. That's all. Corresponding to 4 letters, the letter placed in envelope, and then the probability that all the letters are not placed in the right envelope. Okay, not placed in the right envelope means one will be the correct way and others all will be wrong. So you can not placed in the right envelope. That means they are trying to us wrongly placed. That is 1 minus that correct condition. Correct condition will be 1, 1, 1 in each of them. So 1 by 1 will be correct. So 1 by total case can be how much? 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 4 is to 4. 1 by 4 is to 4. 1 minus 1 by 4 is to 4 will be your answer. I know. First sample space. Sample space 4 letters and 4 envelopes. So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is equal to 4 factorial, right? Then event bar I will take. That means they have said that not these letters are not placed in the right envelope. So I have taken bar. It means placed in the right envelope means one case will be for right. So therefore you can write down the probability like this. Probability of A is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 factorial. That will be correct answer, right? So that is equal to 1 minus 1 by 24, and that is equal to
Option B,
12.
sir.
Option B. Yeah, B is correct. Next, C for question number 31 now. B? No, B. B is correct. 5 persons entered the lift cabin on the ground floor of an 8-floor house. The probability that all the 5 persons live at different floors is what? Okay, fine. Different floors. So there are total 8 possibilities. No, 8 floor are there on the ground. Yes. Out of 8 possibilities, you can go for any of the 5. That will be different case. So 8C5. And total cases are 5 persons entered. So total probability will be how much? Sample space will be what? 5, 8. How will find the total sample space? That is important first. 7 floors will be there above the ground floor. No, 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 no. Enter the lift cabin on the ground floor of an 8-floor house. The probability that all the 5% live first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. 7 floors above the ground. Each of the 5 persons can leave the lift at any of the 7 floors. Why they are taking only 7 floors? Why not 8 floors? 8 floors should be there, no? Why 8th floor is not being considered? Because they are not going to consider ground floor. Because all are entering on the ground floor. Yeah. How will one? That is fine. That is you are correct. But still, other than ground floor, also we have 8 possibilities or not?
No, sir.
7 possibilities.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that 8th floor is not considered. That is fine. Remember in your questions also, if 8th floor is there in the question, you have to take only 7. Yeah, one that you are right. Maybe terrace part is left. You cannot consider that. It is fine. Anyhow, you have to understand the question very fast. That is important. So in an 8-floor house, there are 7 floors only above the ground level. That is important to understand. One less than the total number of floors. There are 7 floors above the ground level. Okay. Fine. So what will be the sample space now? Each person has the possibility of means coming out from any of the 7 floors. So 7 into 7 into 7 into 5 persons are there, 7 raised to 5. Fine. Now, according to the question that they should go means come out through different floors. So what is the possibility for that? So 7 out of 7 you have to take any of the 5 for those 5 persons. 7p5. Why can't we take 7c5? Can anybody answer? Why we have taken 7p5? And what is the for? This is arrangement, permutation. Okay. This is not selection. That is fine. So 7p5 value, how you will calculate? Answer is given in p only. So no need to calculate also. 7p5. So probability will be directly 7p5 upon 7 raised to 5. So option number B. See question number now 32. Now see how you are going to get this one. This is in the form of n, not exact values they have given. 10 persons are seated on n chairs at a round table. The probability that the two specified persons are sitting next to each other will be what? This is a question of again probability, that is combination only or permutation also you can say. In chairs at a round table, the probability that the two specified persons are sitting next to each other will be what? Okay, suppose you are specifying 2 persons out of n persons. So you are left with n minus 2 and that 2 persons will be taken as 1 unit. So total n minus 2 plus 1, that is n minus 1. But since they are in a circular chair, so when you take the factorial, 1 is minus from the total number of persons. So you have to take n minus 2 factorial for event. And what about the sample space? Total n minus 1 factorial. So I think n minus 2 factorial divided by n minus 1 factorial will give you the answer. Okay, let us solve. Two possibilities can be there. 2 multiply with n minus 2 factorial. Okay, first find out the sample space. So sample space, as you know that whenever persons are sitting in a circular arrangement, so n minus 1 factorial. That is 1 less than the total number of persons. That is quite understandable. What about the cases? 2% you have to specify out of those n%. So when you will take the 2% as one unit, so you are left with n minus 1%, and again 1 minus. So n minus 2 factorial, right? But there can be two such cases. How is that? One from left hand side, right hand, and one from anti-clockwise, one is from clockwise. So you'll get two cases for that favorable condition. Either that person can be from this side or that. But out of that, two persons are there, no? They can be arranged among themselves also, no? Two places. That also you can understand like that way. So you are going to get n of a equal to n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Therefore, a is equal to n minus 2 factorial multiplied with 2 factorial divided by n minus 1 factorial. What value you are getting? Solving it? A, B, C, D. D. B. Yeah. B. So when you will solve it, n minus 2 factorial is as it is. 2 n minus 1 factorial can be written as n minus 1 multiplied with n minus 2 factorial. So this will cancel each other. So 2 by n minus 1. Yeah, B. Option B. Yeah. Question 33 now. What they are saying in question number 33. See here. A 5-digit number is formed by the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. See, 7 is missing, huh? Be careful. The probability that the number has even digits at both the ends will be what? Is. Okay. Both the ends should be even numbers. So how many numbers can we form of such condition? First, you find out sample space for 5-digit numbers using these digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 digits are there. So 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. Fine, no? This is total number of sample space. This much numbers you can form for 5 digit. Next condition, what they have said, that both the ends should be even numbers. So how many even numbers are there? 2, 4, 6, 8. So end positions are 2 and you have even numbers 4. So that 2 end positions can be filled with either of these 4 numbers. So 4C2. And then you can arrange also those 2 numbers into 2 factorial. And that's all. That will be the condition. And the remaining positions can be filled with whatever digits are left. So total 5-digit number you are forming, 3 places are left in the middle and 3 places, how many digits are there? Since 2 digit will be used, so out of this 7, 5 will be still there. So 5 into 4 into 3. Option D, 33. No, not correct. So, about the event, I'm saying that there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and even numbers we are having 4. So these 2 places you have to fill with even numbers. This has evens, this has evens. So you can write it as 4. Out of those 4 you can select any 2 and then arrange those 2 also. They can arrange among themselves. 2 factorial. And remaining 3 positions will be filled with how many digits? 2 you have used. Still you have 7, 5. So 5 into 4 into 3. Yes. So just solve it. How many value you are getting? 4C2 is equal to 6. 2 factorial is 2, 5, 4, 3. So probability of this value will be equal to 6 into 2 into 5 into 4 into 3 all divided by 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. 3, 4, 5 cancelling each other. 6 we get 2 by 7. Yes, correct. C. So understanding is important. Try to understand it. Questions. Option C. Yes. Yes.
Nothing, sir. Understanding is important.
Yes, yes, fine. So, next question after 33 is 34. See for question number 34. Again, they have given 5-digit number. Oh, 34 is done, I think. 33 and 34 both are same or what? Oh, some difference is there. Okay. 34. Yes, you are correct. 1 upon 35. 5. Okay, 5 is also 34A, no? Yes, yes, correct, correct. 1 upon 5.
Option A, sir.
Yeah, correct. 5-digit number is formed by using the digit without repetition. The probability that the number formed is divisible by 4. How you will check that the number is divisible by 4? Last 2 digits you have to see that it is divisible by 4 or not. Yes. Sample space first you can check. You have to make a 5-digit number formed by the digits. It is very simple. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is 5 factorial only directly. N of s is 5 factorial. Then according to the event, they have said that divisible by 4. So divisible by 4, last 2 digits you have to check. How many pairs you can make for divisible by 4. So it may be 24 in the last 2 digits, or it may be 1 to 12, or it can also be, we need to solve also. 24, 12, how many numbers are still there which can be? Yeah, 32 is there. Yes, 32. 52. Yes. More? 4 only. So 4 by 5 factorial. 4 will cancel each other. 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 5 is 30. 1 by 30? No, there will be more numbers. Check. There are more numbers. There will be more numbers. 42. 12, 24, 32, 52. 4. Arranged in, okay. Last 2 digits have to be anyone. Okay, fine. So 4 cases from here. So remaining you have to make 5-digit numbers. So still remaining 3 digits, 3 places are there. The 3 places will be filled with remaining 3 digits. That will be 3 factorial ways. Fine, no? So 4, this one into 6. 4 into 6, 24. Right, correct. So this is total equal to 4 numbers. And remaining 3 places will be filled with 3 factorial ways. Okay, so 3 factorial into 3 factorial equal to 6. 6 into 4 is 24. So you are going to get 24 such numbers which will be divisible by 4 out of those 5-digit numbers. The probability will be equal to 24 dividing it by 5 factorial is 120. 24, 120 is 5, so 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is option A. Okay. See then question number 35. 35, no. Please check. Letters of the word assassin are written down at random in a row. Okay, fine. The probability that no two S occur together. So there are total 4 S, and they are saying that no one should be together. So just take those together and then subtract it from 1 minus that total probability. You will get the answer. What is the total sample space for this? How many way you can arrange? 1, 2, 3, 4. How? What is the sample space? Yeah. 8 factorial upon 2 factorial into 4 factorial. Correct? Yeah. So that what is the value? 8, 7, 6, 5. Dividing it 4 factorial you can cancel. 4 factorial, and here it is 2 into 4 factorial. Cancel this both the numbers. 2, you can cancel this 8 as 4. So 4 into 5, 20 into 42. 42 into 20 is 840. You got sample space. Now no two S should be together. So just find out what A bar means. Together we are finding. Together means all the S has to make one unit. Then A. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. S. 1 unit. A. Total it is 5. So you are going to get 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial for A. Okay, it is repeating. But S is a 1 unit, so you cannot take it as 1 factorial. 5 factorial by 2 factorial. What is the value? 543 into 2 factorial is going to cancel this 2. 20 into 3 is 60. So, therefore, probability of A will be equal to 1 minus 60 upon 840. That's all. 1 by 14 hai, yes. 6, 6 1 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24. 1 by 14. 1, no need of subtracting then what? 1 minus. They have said that all the S, 2S occur together. No 2S should occur together. I have taken together, then I need to subtract it also. So I am getting 1 minus 1 by 14. 13 by 40 is not in the option. Out of range. I think they have made in question they should have written S together. I think by mistake they will not S come together. Then if you do 1 minus 1 upon 14, it will be 13 by 14. So according to the question, we have to subtract only. But 2S. 2S, yeah. We have taken 4S together. Oh, we have taken 4S together. There is a mistake. So let's consider 2S. No, its meaning is same only. No 2S together means what? I have not taken 4S together. Actually, I have taken that together because they will be always at the same place. To be like SS. No 2S together. No. Understood. No 2S together means it is the same case that all you take at the same place. They have taken no two of them should be together. So they should be at different places. That is the meaning. Also like first 2S are at starting position, last 2S are at ending position. No 2S should be together. So we can then it as 2 factor into 2 factor. थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो रहा है इसमें सोचते हैं इसके बारे में और तो ये subtract here what we have subtracted they are saying that no need of subtracting simply you can write 60 upon 840 subtract it you will get 1 by 14 and that is the option according to the book they are saying. Yeah, the probability that no two S come occur together, probability that all S should come together. This is the probability of all S together. Yeah. We can think on it. Let's move to next question. Leave it. It is a doubtful. See for 36 number question. A 3-digit number is formed by using the numbers. The probability that a number divisible by 3. What is how we check that any number is divisible by 3? Some should be some of the digits should be divisible by 3. So 1, 2, 3, 3, 6 and 4, 10. Okay. So how you are going to solve it? Digits 3-digit number you have to make. So you select accordingly such that their sum should be divisible by 3. 1, 2, 3. Then 4, 3, 7 and 2, 9. 2, 3, 4 will also work. So these will be the two pairs, 3, 3 triplets you can say. And accordingly you form 3-digit numbers by using these 3 digits. You will get the number divisible by 3. First sample space. How many sample space are going to get? You have to select any 3, no? So 4 into 3 into 2. 12 into 2 is 24. Fine. And then next divisible by 3, you need to take the pairs. That is 1, 2, 3. Sum of 1 to 3 divisible by 3, and then 4, 3, 2, that is 2, 3, 4 also you can write. 2, 3, 4. This pair is also divisible by. Option C, 36. Yes, correct. So, how many numbers you can make using these 3 digits? 3 factorial, that is equal to 6. 3 factorial, that is equal to 6. And 6 plus 6 equal to 12. So, 12 by 24. 1 by 2. C. 12 upon 24, 1 by 2. Option C. 37. No, no. 37. Read the question. When all the letters of the word "sees" are written in a line, then the probability that the two "is" are together. Simple question. You have to take it together simply. Yeah, correct. Sample space. Total it is 5 factorial upon 2 factorial. That is 5 into 4 into 3. Yes, 60. Then they have said that, yeah, 2 each should be together. So together means 1 unit. This will be 3. 1 plus 3, 4 factorial. That's all. 4 factorial is equal to 24. So therefore probability of A will be equal to 24 upon 60, that is 2 by 5. So option B. Option B. C for 38. Oh, this kind of questions also just now we solved, no, earlier. 38. 5-digit number is selected at random. The probability that the digits in the odd places are odd and even places are even. ऑड प्लेसेस पे ऑड डिजिट्स रखो एंड इवन प्लेसेस पे इवन डिजिट्स को रखो, तो आप 5 डिजिट नंबर्स कितने बना सकते हो इसी के बारे में है। तो टोटल 5 डिजिट नंबर पहले अपने पास सारे डिजिट्स को यूज करना है। डिजिट नो, B and D both options are same. B and no. Different. One is combination, one is permutation. They have mixed it. First, you need to find out the sample space. 5-digit number. How many 5-digit numbers you can make? So 9 digits are there. Yeah, repetition. 4 into 9. और कैसा सैंपल स्पेस कितना है? हाँ, that is correct. A is correct. So first sample space, how you are going to find out? 9p4 into 9. How you will get that? There are total 9 digits because for 5-digit number you cannot take 0 at that first place. So out of 9, 9p4, and first you have arranged it and then you have made the into 9. No. 9 ways. The remaining 4 digits can be arranged in 9p4 ways. 4 digits can be arranged in 9p4 ways. 9p4 can be selected in 9 ways. Okay, 5-digit number 1, 3, 5, 7, another 5 odd digits. So for your favorable case, how you're going to find out the favorable case for event? They are saying that at even places, even number should be there. At odd places, odd number should be there. And 5-digit number should also be there. So 5p3 multiply with 5p2. You have to, out of those 5 places, you have to take any 3 position, and then again 5 places for even, you have to select any 2. 5p3 multiply with 5p2, because 5 digit number only you have to make, no? Therefore, probability will be equal to n of a, that is 5p3, 5p3 multiply with 5p2 all divided by 9p4 multiply with 9. So this you can take with option number A. Okay. See 39. Done. Yeah. Mississippi. 4S, and that the 4S from Mississippi are consecutive. Means together. Consecutive. One after the other. So if you take first, how many alphabets are there? 4, 4, 3, 11. So n of s equal to 11 factorial. Divide by 4 factorial. Multiply it with 4 times I is also there, and p 2 times 2 factorial. Okay. So this is the total sample space. Now they want 4s to be together. तो कितना हो जाएगा? 4s को टुगेदर है तो 4, 11 में से 4 कम कर रहे हैं, 7 and 1 8 फैक्टोरियल हो गया। फिर उसमें आई 4 बार है तो 4 फैक्टोरियल, पी है तो 2 फैक्टोरियल, दैट्स ऑल। इस दोनों को डिवाइड कर लो, हो जाएगा प्रोबेबिलिटी। प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए इक्वल टू, डिवाइड किया जाएगा तो क्या बनने वाला है, इक्वल टू 8, इस पे करो, 8 फैक्टोरियल अपॉन 4 फैक्टोरियल इंटू 2 फैक्टोरियल। डिवाइड करना है मतलब इसको न्यूमरेटर में ले लो, 4 फैक्टोरियल, 4 फैक्टोरियल, 2 फैक्टोरियल अपॉन 11 फैक्टोरियल। 4 और 2 को कट करो ऐसे, तुम्हारे पास है 8 फैक्टोरियल, और इस वाले 4 फैक्टोरियल को ब्रेक कर लो, 4 3 2, और 11 फैक्टोरियल को 11 9 8, 11 10 9, 10 9 8 फैक्टोरियल, ये कट हुआ। 10 3 से 9, 3 कट हो गया, 2 से ये 5 हो गया, 4 अपॉन 165, 39, ऑप्शन बी राइट। नेक्स्ट 40 का, Allahabad are arranged randomly, the probability that in the words so formed are identical letters are to be together। अच्छा, सारे जितने भी एक जैसे लेटर है उनको एक साथ रखना है, ये उसका कंडीशन है। तो पहले सैंपल स्पेस के लिए देखेंगे तो 9 फैक्टोरियल है इसके पास। क्वेश्चन नंबर 40, एन ऑफ सैंपल स्पेस हो जाएगा आपके लिए 9 फैक्टोरियल डिवाइड बाई 4 फैक्टोरियल और 2 फैक्टोरियल एल के लिए। और कुछ रिपीट हो रहा है? ओके। अच्छा, अब इवेंट के अकॉर्डिंग उसको जो फेवरेबल कंडीशन है उसको क्या चाहिए, सारे जो आइडेंटिकल है उनको एक साथ करना है। तो 4, 2 एल को एक साथ रखेंगे, ए को एक साथ रखेंगे, बराबर है। तो वो एक यूनिट, वो एक यूनिट, 2 ये हो गए, और एच बी डी 5 हो रहा है ना। 5 फैक्टोरियल, 2 फैक्टोरियल का को, वो तो सेम सेम है ना, 1 1 होगा, उससे कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ेगा। देयरफॉर प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए इक्वल टू 5 फैक्टोरियल अपॉन 9 फैक्टोरियल, और ये ऊपर चला जाएगा 4 फैक्टोरियल इंटू 2 फैक्टोरियल। तो 5 फैक्टोरियल को रहने देते हैं, 4 3 2 1, 2 फैक्टोरियल को 2 डाल देते हैं, और नीचे 9 8 7 6 5 फैक्टोरियल, 5 फैक्टोरियल कट हुआ, आप कट कर सकते हो। उसके बाद 4 into 2 8 से 8 कट हो गया। 3 into 2 6 से 6 कट हो गया, तो 1/9 into 7 into 5। 35 into 9। 315 आ रहा है क्या? 40 का 40 है ना? 63 आ रहा है क्या? अच्छा, मैंने 5 फैक्टोरियल को कट करने के बाद भी मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया। सॉरी सॉरी। 9 into 7 ही है ना बस हमारे पास। 63 1/63 आ जाएगा। ओके, तो ऑप्शन सी। हम्म। नेक्स्ट देखेंगे 41। और एक क्वेश्चन हो सकता है आराम से। क्या है 41 में? A determinant is chosen at random from the set of all determinants of order 2. Option C, 1. Yes, C, you are correct. तीन ही केस बन पाएंगे क्या? या यस यस, वैल्यू ऑफ द डिटर्मिनेंट पॉजिटिव चाहिए ना उसको, वैल्यू ऑफ डिटर्मिनेंट फ्रॉम द सेट ऑफ ऑल द डिटर्मिनेंट्स ऑफ ऑर्डर 2। और टोटल सैंपल स्पेस कैसे निकाल लिया? 2 raised to 4। जितने एलिमेंट्स है डिफरेंट डिफरेंट, उसको 2 के पावर में डाल दिया, बराबर है, दो अलग अलग एलिमेंट। और डिटर्मिनेंट की वैल्यू पॉजिटिव होने के लिए 11 11 10 11 फाइन। ठीक है। उसको क्या हुआ? ये कट हुआ शायद, क्या हुआ इसको? ओके, we will end our lecture for today here itself.